Far from the beaten path, in the heart of the Indian Ocean, a hidden treasure is waiting for you. Welcome to Réunion Island. This gem, shaped by volcanoes, created spectacular landscapes. Here, you will discover a large biodiversity, where each hike leads you to enchanting forests and hidden waterfalls. Sensational activities and charming high-standard accommodations. Réunion Island is the destination for travelers in search of new adventures. The flavors of the world come together. A savory blend of Asian, African, and European influences. Réunion Island invites you to taste authenticity. Réunion Island is not just a destination, it's an experience to share with your clients. Be the one who creates unique memories.